Welcome back once again, ladies and gentlemen, and today we'll be continuing with the part 2 of the question that we started previously, and we are doing revision on SQL and database programming, and the question, we got it from the November 2022 grade 12 question paper. Remember, if you need any assistance with Kate and or IT, you are more than welcome to email us and we will be happy to assist you. Okay, so let us quickly get into the question. Now, remember, in this question you are only required to use Delphi programming code to answer question 2.2.1 and question 2.2.2. so there's no SQL statements that we're going to use here. It's going to be strictly Delphi code to do everything pertaining to those questions. Okay, so I have opened my program, my Delphi program here. I'm going to go to my part 2 here. So now if I look at my question paper here, the first question is saying write a code to add a new record to the TBL clients table. The details of the clients are as follows. Okay, so now I'm going to double click on the insert button here, and it's going to take me straight where I have to write my code. Okay, so now as we all know that whenever you want to insert a record in a database, you must always put your table in what we call an insert mode first. So I'm going to say TBL clients dot insert. So remember this, guys, that whenever you want to insert a record in a database, you have to put your database in insert mode. Now your database is now ready to receive any data that you're going to give to it. So let us put our first record. I'm going to call the table TBL clients. Then in square brackets, I'm going to specify the field in which I want to insert my first record. So I can see that, okay, I want to put my client ID first. Client ID first. And what I want to put in the client ID, I've been given this ID here, CHA01. So CHA01, this is the ID that I've been given, and I've just typed it just like that. Okay, so we have inserted our first record. Now let us continue and insert all those records that we've been requested to put. So now remember, you are going to always call your table name, then you specify in which field do you want to insert that particular record. So I'm just going to copy this and I'm going to change the field here. I'm just going to change the next record here is the client name. I want to put the client. I want to put the client name, and the client name, I've been told that it's Charles. So Charles is my client's name there. Close that. Okay, I'm going to paste that again. Then I change here. I wanted the client name, and I've been told that the client name is Bolt. So that must also be in quotes as well. Then I close that. Okay, my next record that I'm going to insert here is the address. They've given me the address of that guy, and I'm going to type it here. So it's 24 Street. Okay, so this is the address of this guy. Now let me put the city. So remember, I have to change my field name here because I want to insert in the city field, and the city's Cape Town. Okay, and lastly, once you are done inserting your records, remember you have to post your results. So tbl clients dot post. Okay, my spelling is not correct there. tbl clients dot post. Okay, so I put, just to recap, I put my table in insert mode first, then I called the specific fields in which I want to insert data. Then after I'm done, I have to post the results. Okay, so let us just run that and see. Okay, it's question 2.2. Oh, it shows me that the data have been inserted. Can you see this field? Charles, boat, and the city is Cape Town. So that is how we insert a record in a database. Okay, now I'm going to cut this video here. I don't want this video to be too long. Just catch up with me on the next video and we'll do the second part of the same question. Thank you.